Welcome to solve this math problem without a calculator. So we have 8 to the power 9 minus 8 to the power 8. So we solve without a calculator. So now 8 to the power 9 subtract 8 to the power 8. We can express 8 to the power 9 as 8 to the power 8 plus 1 subtract 8 to the power 8. Okay, now 8 to the power 8 plus 1, this is actually in the form of a to the power n plus m, which you can express as a to the power n multiplied by a to the power m. So we'll have 8 to the power 8 multiplied by 8 to the power 1 subtract 8 to the power 8. So 8 to the power 8 is common here. Let's factor out 8 to the power 8 so that we'll have 8 subtract 1. So in this case, we have 8 to the power 8 multiplied by 8 minus 1, which is equal to 7. The next step here, we can express 8 as 2 to the power 3. So let's substitute 2 to the power 3 here. So we'll have 2 to the power 3 raised to the power 8 multiplied by 7. So here we'll have 2 to the power, this is 3 times 8, which is 24. Okay, so essentially, if you have 8 to the power n multiplied by m, this can be expressed as 8 to the power nm. So in this case, we'll have 2 to the power 24 times 7. The next step here, we can express 24 as 12 times 2. So this means that we'll have 2 to the power 12 times 2, all this multiplied by 7. Okay, so again, if you have 8 to the power n multiplied by m, this can be expressed as 8 to the power n raised to the power m. So applying this property, we'll have 2 to the power 12 squared multiplied by 7. So let's proceed. Now we have 2 to the power 12 squared multiplied by 7. Now, let's establish what is 2 to the power 12. Now we can start with 2 to the power 1, which is actually equal to 2. 2 to the power 2, this is equal to 4. 2 to the power 3, this is actually equal to 8. 2 to the power 4, this is equal to 16. Then 2 to the power 5, this is equal to 32. And then 2 to the power 6, this is equal to 64. And then we have 2 to the power 7, this is equal to 128. And then we have that 2 to the power 8, this is equal to 256. Then 2 to the power 9, this is equal to 512. And then we have 2 to the power 10, this is equal to 1024. And then we have 2 to the power 11, this is actually equal to 2048. And 2 to the power 12, this is equal to 4096. So this is what we need. So we have 2 to the power 12 is equal to 4096. So we have 4096 squared multiplied by 7. So the next step here, this is the same thing as 4000 plus 96 squared, all this multiplied by 7. Now you find that 4000 plus 96 squared, this is actually in the form of a plus b squared, which you can express as a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So let's apply this algebraic identity so that we'll have. So now we have 4000 plus 96 squared multiplied by 7. Now this is actually in the form of a plus b squared, which you can express as a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Applying this algebraic identity, we'll have 4000 squared plus 96 squared plus 2 multiplied by 4,000 multiplied by 96. So here we'll have 16,000. Okay. Then we have 96 squared, which is essentially equal to, this is plus 9216, then plus 2 times 4,000 is 8,000 times 96, which is 768,000. Now from what we have here, this is 16 million. So we have 4,000 squared, this is 16 million, plus 96 squared, which is 9212, plus 2 times 4,000, which is 8,000, times 96, which is 768,000. So we'll have 16 million plus 768,000 plus 9216. Let's add this. So this is 6. We'll have here 1. Then here this is 2. Then we have 9 plus 8. This is 17. Carrying 1. So this is 7. Drop this 7 and then 16. So we have 16,777,212. Now from here we have 16,777,212 multiplying by 7. Multiplying by 7. So now here we have 7 times 6, which is 42. So 2 carry 4. So then 7 times 1 is 7 plus 4, which is 11. Carry 1. Then 7 times 2, which is 14 plus 1. That is 15. Carry 1 again. Okay. Then 7 times 7 is 49 plus 1. This is 50. Okay. Here we carry 5. And then 7 times 7, which is 49. 49 plus 5, which is 54. Carry 5. Then 7 times 7, it's 49 plus 5. Again, this is 54. Carry 5 here. Then 6 times 7, it's 42 plus 5, which is 47. So you have 7, carry 4 here. Then 7 times 1, which is 7, plus 4, which is 11. So this is 117,440,512. So this is the solution. This is the solution. So kindly follow the steps and subscribe.